my name is Pragnya.
My name is Nikesh.
Today we are going to show how to make clay. So for this, I made this previously.
Yes.
This
Blue color.
This one I made it another method, same ingredients, but without using this lotion. This I made it another way. No, I mean another method. This clay we require flour, water,
Salt, oil, lotion.
and something, means I'm using this spoon. You should, for making this clay, you should use only one spoon, this type, okay, and something container to store the clay like this. First you need to put half spoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, flour, and I'm using 2 spoons for this. Now you need to add some water in case you add. Wait 1 minute, this flow I will keep it. Okay, 1 spoon of water. Nikesh, full 1 spoon.
Full.
Okay, that's correct. 1 spoon of vegetable oil. 1 spoon of lotion. Nikesh, you should pour it in. I told 1 spoon, not 1.
I will wear.
I'll put Nikesh. Why you need? Wait, I'll say stop. Stop. Oh my god, I can. Okay. Now we need to mix it. I'm going to mix it with my hands because spoon can't take it correctly. It gets like this. You should add 1 spoon of flour. Okay. Because one time it will get like that, because now making it's getting like this. Now you need to mix it and make a dough. Prepare a dough. As we had salt, it became loose and it turns like this. I'm going to, if it turns again like this, you can add flour. Nikesh, please add. I think so. It's making. Oh, I'm putting down. See, I can see the dough. As this dough is completed, see, because it's turned out before when we add flour, because we are using more liquid items like this lotion, oil and water. They are liquid items, and also we are adding oil for some smoothness. This lotion too, for smoothness, it gives a texture, and this is for this. So friends, it's like this now. Presently, if we do like this, it's like this, because if we put in airtight container, it turns like this. It's correct one. See, it's not coming like this. It's coming like this. Oh my god, stay.
What are you?
We need to keep in airtight container and we need to mix it like this. When we put paint, we always mix it like this. So Nikesh, let's put the clay. I'm going to use green, so I'm going to paint it.
Not dark green.
Oh my! Let's do like dark green, because white and dark green mix something color like green. It's green. When last year, I think so, we wasted full of the clay. We mixed all of the colors. Before I made a Ganesha out of clay, and after 2 days, when we both mixed all of the colors. I made some like vegetable fruits with the clay vegetables and clay fruits, but we wasted full. If you does not keeping airtight container, it turns out to be like this. If I kept to, because I didn't add this lotion. If you didn't add lotion, it loses some softness and smoothness and moisture on it. So we should add this lotion. I made this with another process. I'll show you that in next video. We lose them, so I'm going to cut it. Oh my god, wow. I think so I need to cut more because I cut it only. Oh my god. Okay, I like it. I like this shape. Nikesh will cut it this color. So friends, this two was made in same method. This is made in another method. After few days, it will be dry. With any cloth, means what we made with any method, it dries out because it's flour, but we can play with it. It's so nice. So guys, so friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel and like and share. I will see you in next video. We will see you in next video. Bye.